Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your life savings vanished. Not because Bitcoin crashed, but because an AI deepfake just scammed you out of every penny. Sounds like sci-fi? It's real, and it's happening right now. Stay tuned, because in the next 10 minutes, you'll learn how to protect your fortune, where the biggest opportunities are hiding, and the one regulatory twist that could redefine crypto forever. Let's dive in. Bitcoin stumbled just under $103,000 today, trading around $102,987, down about 0.7% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is hovering at $2,606, off roughly 0.2%. If these look like small moves, think again. Every 1% swing in BTC represents $10 billion changing hands overnight. But here's the thing. When bulls get nervous around resistance, smart money starts stacking orders just below key levels. Right now, $105,000 for Bitcoin and $2,700 for Ethereum are touch points that could trigger the next big wave. Why it matters: if you're not watching these levels, you'll miss the boat. And today's consolidation could be tomorrow's breakout, or the calm before a storm. Here's a headline you won't believe. Scammers are using AI-generated deepfake videos of Polygon's co-founder, Sandeep Nailwal, to trick startups into downloading malware. And it's working. They've hijacked real communication channels, set up Zoom calls with silent AI avatars, and infiltrated teams. In response, Hong Kong's Cybercrime Bureau partnered with the University of Hong Kong to build CryptoTrace, a forensic tool to unmask virtual asset crimes. Takeaway: always verify on multiple channels, enable multi-factor authentication, and treat any unexpected link as suspicious. Crypto isn't just money, it's revolutionizing AI too. Meet Psyche, Noose Research's new decentralized training network. Instead of a single tech giant controlling the GPUs, Psyche taps idle compute around the world to train a 40 billion parameter model, and it's live right now on testnet. Why should you care? Two reasons. First, if AI is the new oil, decentralized compute is the well. Second, $50 million in strategic funding from Paradigm-valued Nouse at $1 billion. That's a clear signal big money's moving here. If you want the next multi-bagger, look at projects bridging Web3 and AI. Now let's talk DeFi, specifically Solana's decentralized exchanges. In a single day, Solana DEX processed $45.7 billion in trades, and over the last week, volume hit $275 billion, up 48% week on week. Radium, Meteora, Orca, they're fueling a liquidity frenzy. Meanwhile, gaming token DAR from Mines of Delarnia exploded 600% today after a big ecosystem announcement, proof that narrative-driven catalysts still move markets. If you're hunting the next 10x, watch for tokens tied to strong community stories and real-world utility. Crypto's regulatory frontier is heating up. In DC, the Genius Act is pitched as the bill to finally bring 21st century clarity, but experts warn it may stall until 2029 if not passed before the Memorial Day recess. On the flip side, Nebraska just passed LB 526, regulating Bitcoin miners with energy reporting requirements. No carbon tax, just transparency. Why does this matter? Regulation shapes where and how you invest. A friendly framework can unlock trillions in institutional capital, but a misstep could smother innovation. Keep an eye on both federal and state moves. Your portfolio may depend on it. Big guns are pouring in. On May 14th, VanEck launched the Node ETF, giving traditional investors equity exposure to blockchain firms, miners, exchanges, infrastructure, while dynamically managing risk. It's not a crypto ETF, but it's the next best thing for Wall Street. And Antalpha just filed for a $49.3 million IPO on NASDAQ, targeting Bitcoin mining services. The message is clear. From ETFs to IPOs, crypto's crossing into mainstream finance. Finally, payments. Binance Pay is seeing explosive merchant adoption, zero fees, instant settlement, global reach, and no chargebacks. Fashion brands, digital services, you name it, they're slashing costs and expanding into new markets with crypto rails. If you own a business, this is your moment. Integrate crypto payments now and market yourself as cutting edge. And if you're a consumer, enjoy lower fees and faster checkouts. 10 minutes, 8 game-changing stories, and one question for you. Which of these trends will make you richer and which could wipe you out? Drop your hot take in the comments. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for your daily crypto edge and share this video with a friend who still thinks crypto is dead. Until next time, stay savvy, stay safe, and keep stacking those sats.